So a little background of what I did. I was looking last night at Maverick Airs and seeing if they did the follow me feature, and I always wanted that in a drone. Now, you've seen that I've needed other people to help me fly my drone or drive my car, etc. with the DJI Phantom 3.
I have this one. Got the DJI Phantom, 2 batteries, the charger, and the controller.
It's an older model. I bought it for Brazil pretty much. And this channel, but now it's time to move up 4K because my camera, my A6300 that I'm shooting with right now can shoot 4K, so I might as well have a drone that does too and have the feature of follow me. I gotta go to the bank, grab the cash. I'll tell you how much I spent on it after I show you guys it, because I just want to go get it and the lady's waiting for me. So I gotta go to San Francisco. And I've never been there, so that's pretty dope. I'm like still, I don't know what to say. I'm in California right now, not Boston, Massachusetts, not Florida, not Washington. I'm in California. This is insane, you guys. So let's go. I got that banging too, yo. I think that's my lower control arms. That might be another video, you guys. Are thinking like, oh man, he's gonna have issues when he goes to California with smog.
Viewers called us about CHP checkpoints like this one,
etc, etc, and yeah, like maybe I might, but there's a highway patrol right there. I thought he was like a local cop or something like that, but he's a highway patrol. Alright guys, I just got here. Hold up. She's upstairs there. So I'm gonna go ahead and text her and tell him I'm out here. Oh, there she is. Oh. Hi. So I just met Sasha. She was really sweet. She's actually from Ukraine. She came here a long time ago, back I think in 95 or something like that. But Sasha, if you're watching, thank you, I appreciate you. So excited to use this, you guys. I'm gonna get back to my Airbnb and open it up and show you guys, but I'm gonna drive around San Francisco for a little while and check it out. These are very hilly neighborhoods, I'll tell you that right now. It's different. National Historical something site, probably. Nobody likes my car around here, I'll tell you that right now. I keep on getting looks. This is my new Maverick Air. Still has the manual and all the paperwork.
just manuals. The charger, the propeller guards, the additional phone cables. And the best part is the drone. Do you see how small this is compared to that? That is why I'm upgrading to this bad Larry right here. Shoots in 4K. It opens up. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm not even sure how to do it, but I'm gonna look up some videos before I actually fly this, so I have an idea of what I'm doing. It looks like there's a covering over the lens. This thing is so small. It's the size of my whole hand. My palm and my fingers stretched out. That is sweet. I'm so happy I got this, you guys. This is cool. I was just looking, and like I said, there was like a little cap over here. But you press that, you pull out that, and there's the gimbal. That's the 4K gimbal, and then it has its sensors in the front. That's pretty neat. So we're just gonna slide this bad Larry back on there. And it seems pretty easy. Just like that. Now I gotta figure out how to open up the propeller wings. I was thinking they were just gonna like pull out, but as I look over here, they have like a pivot arm. So you more or less just pop it up like that. And this one pops out like that. On this side, it has like a little door. We'll go over that in a little bit. It has sensors on the bottom. So this is definitely not a drone that you want to crash. There's that. There's this. So there's one wide propeller thingy. There's one here. And there's two that's missing. So I wonder if they're in here. Well, now that I look at it, on the manual, it doesn't have ones in the back. So, there it is. That thing is small compared to the Phantom. I can't wait to fly this, you guys. So I can put this up in the air and have it follow me. It's definitely a upgrade. So not only did I get the cool drone that I had to show you guys, I got this cool carrying case with the tag still on it from DJI. Looks like there's a zipper back here, nothing in it, and then we got the top main, which you have the controller, which is in pristine condition, so they essentially slap down like that, and then here there's a little joystick that screw on so you can move it around, and when you're done, take it off and put it back up in there. And essentially this is where your your phone would go. You got the antennas. So this thing is super small compared to that thing. Look at this. Definitely smaller and more lighter. And with this one, you don't have to worry about having a huge cord connecting your phone to the remote. This one actually comes with these short ones, which are probably a good expensive amount to replace. And you can see I have 2 iPhone ones in there, which I'm happy about. There's a couple Type-C, and then there's mini USB. I'm pretty sure we can get these off of Amazon or something if I lose or need to replace. So I have more propellers. You got more propellers right there. So I really cannot say I did not get hooked up, because I definitely got hooked up. Look at this thing. You can use that as a power bank also, from what I read. Still has the connector cover on. So propeller covers, there's 4 of those. I may or may not use those. And then we have the charging cord, which which charges the remote and the drone, I believe. And then you have the Type-C, the new iPhone. So that is it, you guys. My new Mavic Air with the bundle with recharges. We have 3 batteries plus the one that's inside the drone right now. And then we have a charging port for all 4 of them. That's pretty cool. There we go, like this. Yeah, there we go. They pretty much just pull these things back and they'll pop up. And there is your battery. That's where you have a bunch of information about the drone, the model number, etc. And pretty much that is what it is. There we go, got a little charging port. That way I have enough battery and flight time to record what I need to record. So Sasha, I don't know what to say other than thank you. Like I said to you in person, everything happens for a reason. And I'm so grateful for you selling this to me for that price. And you guys, I paid $375 for this thing. I cannot complain. It's a combo kit. Comes with this thing. What? The best part about it is like this. I like the fact that the drone can fit in here. And I get this. Come on. Fits in just this little case right here, you guys. Compared to wearing that big backpack with all that weight. Just this. My batteries. My remote. It's so compact and sleek that how can anybody say no to a beautiful drone set up like this. So once I have all my batteries in here, or even if I didn't want to rock this little case, I can go ahead and put the drone right there, just like you see right here. Everything's in there.